Hi Superachievers, students, parents and individuals. Welcome to my channel at the rate Pratap Harichandan in the bracket Atindriyam. Today again I am going to talk about biotechnology career because I received a message, मेरे को एक message मिला from a student that he is feeling insecure because the first reason that he is pursuing BTech in biotechnology from a tier 2 institute or college or university. Do you think this is the first one? Let us go a little bit ahead. वो सोच रहा है कि whether I am going to get a job after my complete my BTech 4-year degree after completion, whether I am going to get a job or not. ये है the final thought, that is insecurity is there. So मेरा जो पहला आपका जो step होना चाहिए, first step is that you must believe and trust yourself. That whatever I'm pursuing my best, I'm doing my best. Focus on your academics and side by side, learn the marketable skills. What are the skills required for a biotechnology graduate, UG graduate or postgraduate? I've already made a video, or you can find a lot of videos, the skills that you want to develop while you are studying so that you become unique. That means getting a job becomes easier for you. आज लेकिन जो बात करेंगे, today we'll talk about the numbers, how India is performing in bioeconomy, क्या contribution है, क्या growth है, and growth projection 2030, 2050 क्या है, and lastly हम लोग देखेंगे कहाँ पर jobs है, where are the jobs. If you are really interested and you are a biotechnology student and pursuing biotechnology, please stay with me for 8 to 10 minutes. You can spare, I think. And please don't forget to share my video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, because I'm building a community of super achievers and you are one of them. My aim is to build a community of global super achievers, and it is possible through you only. Please help me out. And the data that I'm going to present here is from our Indian Government Institute. That is, one is called BIRAC, Biotechnology Industry Research Association Corporation and Association of Biotechnology Led Entrepreneurs. आपको पता है कितना बायोटेक्नोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, स्टार्टअप्स, एक्सेप्ट स्टार्टअप्स, ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस और कंपनी है? इट इज अराउंड, दोज आर मेंबर ऑफ दिस एसोसिएशन ऑफ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी लेड एंटरप्रेन्योर्स is around 400. Do you know this number? If you want, I can give you. I have already downloaded for 99 organizations. If you need, please message me so that I can forward it. So now let us come back to the numbers. The significant biotechnological milestones India have achieved till 2025. First one is, everybody knows, global vaccine access. In world, all over the world, there are 10 vaccine producing organizations, and out of that 3 are in India. 30% of organizations producing vaccines are in India. Who are they? Serum Institute, then it is Bharat Biotech, another is Biological E Limited. So, and they are producing 40% of the demands, though India has consumed 20% of the vaccine, because we are a populated country, 150 billion people. 150 crore people, not billion people. World is having more than 800 billion people. India is around 140 crores. This is the first significant achievement. Next is ethanol blended petrol. Have you heard of this? You might have, because this ethanol blended petrol is going to the future fuel due to this environmental impact of the this crude oil and then fuels. Now we'll see what is the number of bioeconomy, world bioeconomy in terms of GDP. You must be understanding what is GDP and bioeconomy. Bioeconomy means the contribution made by the bioindustry, biomedical, bioagriculture, biofuel, whatever it is that is contributing to our GDP numbers. the production, total output, bioeconomy. We'll see the present numbers, the projection numbers of 2030 and 2050. These numbers will it is a mind-blowing numbers. Let us see. India is contributing around 4.25% of bioeconomy to the GDP. USA, China is 4%. Italy and Spain 22%. In terms of number, if you see, presently worldwise, 3 trillion USD is bioeconomy. That is going to increase by 30 trillion USD by 2050, the bioeconomy. And it is the 12% of total GDP of the world. What is the total GDP? It is 228 trillion USD. This is the number. Now, these numbers are according to PwC. You know what is PwC? PricewaterhouseCoopers. It is an organization, global organization, who does the research and project these numbers. Now let us see what will be the GDP of the countries. First, USA will be 35 trillion USD total GDP by 2050. China is 42 trillion USD. That means number 1 position will be China. Number 2 will be USA, and we will be the third one. India will have 22 trillion USD. And the bioeconomy, the contribution of India bioeconomy will be around 6 to 12% of GDP. Just imagine. What is India's plan by 2030? India is planning around 300 billion bioeconomy. 300 billion. How? The division, if you see, biomedical will be around 128 billion USD. Bioagriculture will be around 39.3 billion USD. And bioindustrial is 121 billion USD. And other things will be 42.43 billion USD. And what will the focused areas, in India? Focus sectors. Bio-based chemicals and enzymes. This comes under bioindustrials. Functional food and smart protein. Functional food and smart protein. Persistent biotherapeutic. Climate resilient agriculture. Carbon capture and utilization. Marine and space biotechnology. These are the focused areas. Next, let us go to India's startup in biotechnology sector. See, it has increased around 85%. In 2021, it was around 5,365 startups. In 2024, it was 10,075 startups. And how many products that we develop, 800 products. And most important, by 2030, the startups numbers will be 22,500. And how many manpower is required? This is the most critical one. 35 million people are required. That means 3.5 crores people are required to support these startups. 22,000 startups. Just imagine. Okay, now, which is more significant is where the jobs are. First, let us see biopharma and vaccine development organizations, companies, bioprocess, roles only bioprocess, engineers, bioprocess associate, quality control, quality assurance, validation engineers. These are the jobs, roles I am just telling you. You can search more and more. You will have more knowledge. Industrial biotech, that is fermentation technologist, application specialist, operators. Diagnostic biotech is lab technologist, product quality assurance, support the hospitals and labs. Then agriculture biotech. What? Climate resistant crops you have to develop. research scientist, and breeding technologist, and biofuel experts. These are the things are where the jobs are. So this is all about your numbers. So why you feel insecure? See the numbers. We are growing, and it will be just, what do you say, unstoppable after 5 to 10 years. You just have a long-term plan. That's all about this. If you need more information, please contact me so that I can help you out. Come out this insecurity feeling or anxiety or stress. Again, last, please share my video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. All the love, all the power.